Running through the night, shadows grow tall. Heart pounding loud, fear grips like a claw. Knice wolf, fierce eyes rage in the wind. No place to hide, battle soon begins. Armor heavy like the weight of the world. Sword in hand, flags unfurled. War in his chest echoes over hills. Knice wolf stands where the blood spills. Howl to the moon, warriors cry. Break the chains, all bonds must die. Stronger than steel, heart pure fire. Knice wolf never ever tires. Darkness falls, but he stands to fight. Warrior soul, burning bright. No giving in, no backing down. Knice wolf claims his bloodstained crown. Legends whispered in the streets at night of the warrior who won every fight. Scars tell tales through the silent woods. Knice wolf understood. They cried out. Howl to the moon, warriors cry. Break the chains, all bonds must die. Stronger than steel, heart pure fire.